Caramelized onion and balsamic hummus recipe. Yield 8 servings. Prep time 10 minutes. Cook time 20 minutes. Total time 30 minutes. Ingredients: hummus, 2 medium yellow onions, diced, 1 tablespoon 15 milliliters olive oil, 2 cups 330 grams cooked chickpeas garbanzo beans, 2 cloves garlic, 1/4 cup 60 milliliters tahini sesame seed butter, 1/4 cup 60 milliliters water, 1.5 lemons juiced, 1 tablespoon 15 milliliters balsamic vinegar, half a teaspoon paprika, 1/4 teaspoon cumin, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Ingredients: optional garnish, caramelized onions, chickpeas, paprika powder, ground cumin, fresh or dried herbs of choice. Directions: 1. Toss the onions in oil in a non-stick pan on high heat, stirring every 3 to 5 minutes. When the base of the pot becomes dark, add 2 tablespoons of water and stir. Repeat, stirring and adding water as needed until the onions are softened, a deep brown color, and sufficiently caramelized, about 20 minutes. Note, depending on your pot you may need to reduce the heat to medium-high or medium, but this will also increase the cooking time. 2. Place all ingredients except the chickpeas in a food processor and blend on high, stopping occasionally to scrape down the sides. Then add the chickpeas and blend again until a creamy consistency is achieved. 3. Garnish, serve with crackers, cut up vegetables, or enjoy in a wrap or sandwich. Notes: 1. This is about 1 cup 200 grams dry beans, or the amount in a 500 grams can. 2. If you'd like the consistency to be creamier, add 1 to 2 tablespoons 15 to 30 milliliters more tahini. 3. If using canned chickpeas, be sure to rinse first. Canned chickpeas are high in salt, so taste test and add this salt at the end in the amount desired. 4. Variations: adjust to your preferences by adding more balsamic vinegar, lemon juice, or cumin if desired. You can also use roasted garlic, in this case use 4 to 6 cloves, or cook the garlic with the onions in the last 5 minutes. 5. Speed it up, using canned chickpeas speeds up the process. Also, using a food processor to chop the onions significantly speeds up the preparation time and saves you a lot of tears. 6. Storage: store in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 1 week. Did you try this recipe? Let me know how it went. Comment below and share a video your friends. For most informative videos please subscribe and like our channel.